Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to transfer contacts, photos, and more from Android to iPhone. I have two free simple methods for you guys. So method 1, use Apple's Move to iOS application. So Apple provides a free app called Move to iOS, which wirelessly transfers data from Android to iPhone. So what can you transfer? You can transfer contacts, message history, photos and videos, web bookmarks, mail accounts, and calendars. Now this is how you do it step by step. So this is the application, alright? So prepare both devices. Plug both devices into power. Make sure they're fully charged and connect both to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2, install Move to iOS on Android. Again, the application should be installed on the Android device. So go to the Play Store, search Move to iOS and install and open the application. Start the iPhone setup. So basically for this one, turn on your new iPhone. Follow the setup steps until you reach the apps and data screen. So tap Move Data from Android, connect devices on Android, open Move to iOS, and tap Continue. So basically agree to the terms and tap Next. A 6 to 10 digit code will appear on the iPhone and then basically enter it on your Android. Select Data and Transfer. On the Android device, select any content you want to transfer. The next wait should be for the transfer to complete. And then when finished guys, tap Done on Android and tap Continue setting up on your iPhone, of course for your iPhone. Now this is the method 2. So this method lets you transfer manually using cloud services. This is specifically using Google Cloud, Google Account, and cloud services. Alright? Works for contacts, calendars, and emails. I suggest method 1 is the best one anyway. Method 2 gives you sync your Google account on Android. Basically log into your Google account on your Android device. Ensure syncing is enabled for contacts, calendars, and Gmail. And now moving forward, sign into your Google using the iPhone device, or vice versa. So go to Settings, Mail Accounts, add an account in Google. Enter your credentials and ensure the same items. Contacts, calendars, mails are toggled on or checked. Now for photos and videos, use Google Photos. Now on Android, install Google Photos, enable backup and sync, and wait for it to sync up. Now access Google Photos on your iPhone. Basically install the Google Photos on your iPhone. Notice everything here has a specific use versus the one application that transferred it all. Alright? Now going back here for the files, if you want to transfer files, upload files to Google Drive or Dropbox from your Android, and install the same app on your iPhone and log in to access your files. Now final tips for you guys, back up your Android device before transferring data. You can transfer it to your PC, to your laptop, to your tablet, or anywhere you can back it up. Now keep both phones fully charged during the process. Some apps may not transfer. Download their iOS versions manually from the App Store. Take note about this one because some applications are not really compatible. They have an iOS version themselves inside the App Store. And vice versa, of course. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.